Do y'all country much? This is our project for the day. The original pool was lost to a rouge cinder block laced trampoline caught in a whirlwind storm a few months ago. That's Katie the blue-eyed basset hound. The storm was so bad that while Katie clung to the porch, it stretched her poor legs to the point Noon recognizes her for who she was. The guys over there are setting up a catch pool. It is to ward off evil spirits, but we'll drop the garden hose in there to drown them just in case. I'll set up some time-lapse photos because we move so fast modern cameras can't keep up. We fix and set this wall and bang this pool out. Notice the water we have caught in the small pool. And not a haint in sight. We did extensive prep to the site and have the sand inside necessary to have a good flat bottom finish. The liner and tools are in the center and out of the way. There are 2 pieces of sheet metal that we use to uncoil the wall on. In this part we like cogs in a machine. We move in unison like a well-choreographed dry heave set to music. I've moved you a little closer to the action. I'll be doing the pool liner shuffle, moving the wrinkles from the center to the edge. The vacuum will be assisting by holding them at bay till the water can hold them down. My help will be finishing out all of the pool, and I will gladly help as needed.
Alright, y'all listening. Here's my vacuum. Goes in there, it pulls air out behind the liner. That makes it also helps pull the wrinkles out. That's what I was doing, running around and around in circles in there, working the wrinkles to the edge into this extra material where it will stretch. And taped up the skimmer hole so it don't draw air there. All that needs a little bit of dirt on it, just enough you don't see that bottom crack or those little caps. This was a reset instead of a from scratch start. So we had the advantage of already having the site prepped for the better part. But this track was 3.5 inches high to the grade once I leveled it with my transit, with my laser level. See this difference? That's what it looks like. That's a 27 footer. All right. So the whole time you saw us running around in circles like crazy, people didn't know what we was doing. Did you unplug that?
Yeah, I did.
It wasn't finished. There's a lot more water in there. I'll get in a minute. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea though. Catch poo, catch pardon me. Catch poo, catch water in. The whole time we were working, that was catching water as fast as it go. Pump it into there. This trailer, ragtag. Look like Beverly Hillbillies. Yeah, it's got everything I need on it. And no room for anything else, quite honestly. Machine's down, my dump truck's down, so we're having to bring the sand out this way. More discharge hoses, draw hoses, gasoline for the pump. We might use the pump here in a little bit. We got another one to go do. The pump, I've already got a video on that. It works splendidly. I'm going to cut this in here. If you didn't see what you needed to know about installing above ground pool on the video, you probably need to hire somebody else anyway. This is your gentleman's tractor. That's how he got it. That's what a pool looks like. It's a pretty good trailer full. Sand for the filter. He wanted it off that deck about 4 inches. We achieved that for the better part. Man, I don't know if the first one was irregular in the circle it was. What I mean, it may be an egg shape. I'm leaving that vacuum on to keep those wrinkles pulled to the edge until we're completely out of water. I'm fixing to go over and tend that a minute. Try to get the rest of the water out of the little catch pool. Now, you know, by the time you're done, and that ain't even a dump truck, you $30-something thousand, $40,000 in with a machine, and got a man bringing sand to you 2 or 3 times during the summer, 26 tons at a time. Hire me. I'll put them in. 15 years experience. I'm gonna put it back on some time lapse while I go ahead and doctor this pool.
Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, and comment.